मणिपुर सहित देश के 5 राज्यों में हुए विधानसभा चुनाव के तहत कल मतगणना की जाएगी। कल सुबह 8 बजे से मतगणना प्रक्रिया शुरू होगी। मणिपुर में मतगणना की तैयारी को लेकर जानकारी देते हुए मुख्य चुनाव अधिकारी राजेश अग्रवाल ने कहा कि कल 3 स्तर के सुरक्षा के घेरे में काउंटिंग की जाएगी। उन्होंने कहा कि सुबह 8 बजे से काउंटिंग प्रक्रिया शुरू होगी। सबसे पहले बैलेट पेपर की काउंटिंग की जाएगी, उसके बाद ईवीएम मशीनों की, और इसके लिए 12 स्ट्रांग रूम के 41 हॉल में काउंटिंग की व्यवस्था की गई है। इसके अलावा काउंटिंग की वेबकास्टिंग भी की जाएगी। अग्रवाल ने कहा कि 2 चरणों में सभी 60 सीटों की काउंटिंग होगी, जिसमें सबसे पहले 41 सीटों की होगी। उन्होंने कहा कि 2 चरणों में हुए चुनाव में 18 लाख से अधिक मतदाताओं ने अपने मताधिकार का प्रयोग किया है।
The counting process will start at 8 a.m. tomorrow sharp with the counting of postal ballots in 41 counting halls at 12 counting centers in the state. This will be succeeded by EVM counting also in the 41 counting halls at these 12 centers from 8:30 a.m. onwards. Counting of 41 assembly constituency will be taken up first in the first go. After completion of counting in the first round, complete for the assembly constituency, in 19 counting halls, the counting of remaining 19 assembly constituencies will also be taken up, and the same has already been notified to all the candidates, their agents and the political parties. The entire process of counting, in addition to the returning officer, will also be supervised by 41 general observers who have been appointed by Election Commission of India. They have arrived in Manipur and they are looking at the counting arrangements as of now. Tomorrow they will be sitting with the returning officer in each of the counting hall and supervising the whole counting process. The DOs and superintendent of police in each district has been directed to make elaborate security arrangement for counting, including a minimum 3-tier security comprising of CAPF and Manipur Police. The process of counting will also be webcasted to all the district control rooms and also to the state control room at the CEO office. All the counting halls, all 41 of them, have been fitted with cameras and already the pilot runs are being done. The trends and the final results of countings will be available in public domain on the voter helpline app and the website results.eci.gov.in. Further, the results will also be displayed centrally at Western Gate of Kangla. The results and update will also be available to press from the media cell at the CEO office. Here also the media cell will also be there, happy to update you with all the election results. I have asked my media cell to get this conference room also ready, where the results can be displayed on all these 3 TV screens. So any media wanting to take an update can come and take the update from this conference hall also.